Welcome to UltraLights. My name's Ryan and I'm one of the engineers at UltraLights, and today we're going to take you guys on a quick tour of our fabrication facility in Tucson, Arizona. Parts are separated and organized by their different model numbers and staged for fabrication. From here, parts will either need bending, rolling, or welding operations, sometimes all of the above. This is where the light fixture really begins to take shape. Many parts just need a simple 90-degree break. Many of our pendants are round and require additional rolling operations. Once parts have been bent and rolled, they can be welded together into their final form. Once a fixture is completed, it is staged on racks or pallets and waits to be sent to our paint department, where it will receive a powder coat finish.